Hello students. Now I am going to discuss some problems based on this chapter significant figure. Student, I already taught you different laws by which you can find the number of significant figure in a given number. Now some problem is given. One problem is given. I have written already. State the number of significant figure in the followings. There are total 10 problems. How many significant figure in this? 5, 4, 6, 1 angstrom. According to first law, all non-zero numbers are significant. Therefore, in this measurement, there are 4 significant figures. So, I will answer one by one. For first part, there are 4 significant figures. So, answer of first part is 4 significant figures. Now, in second part, there is 5200 meter is written. Student, in this measurement 5200, only 5 and 2 are significant figure. These two zeros are not following any kind of rule, therefore they are not significant figure. So in this measurement 5200, there are only 2 significant figures. Now in third question, the measurement is 35.000. Student, in this measurement, these two first digits are non-zero numbers, therefore they are significant, and these zeros are after decimal, therefore these zeros are used to express the accuracy of instrument, so they are significant. So total number of significant figure in this question number third is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. There are 5 significant figures. Now in question number 4, 0.07 is written. Student, in this measurement, only this 7 is significant figure. These 0 are not following any kind of rule. I taught you in different rules. So there is 1 significant figure in this measurement 1. Now question number 5. In this measurement 2.64 into 10 power 24, this 10 to power 24 is not taken into significant figure. Only these 3 numbers are significant, all are non-zero numbers. So in this there are 3 significant figures. Now is question number 6. Student, these 3 numbers 2, 4, 6 are non-zero numbers, therefore they are significant. This 0 is used to represent the accuracy of instrument, so it is also significant. So in this measurement there are total 4 significant figures. Now in question number 7, again there are 4 significant figures. In this also there are 4 significant figures. Now in this measurement, only these 4 numbers are significant. These 3 numbers are non-zero numbers, therefore they are significant. This 0 is occurring between 2 non-zero numbers, therefore it is also significant. So there is only 4 significant figures. These zeros are not following any rule of significant figure, therefore they are not significant. So in question number 9, there are 4 significant figures. Now in last question, 10th, this 10 power minus 5 will be ignored. This 1.36, this 136 are non-zero numbers, therefore they are significant. These 2 zeros are used to represent the accuracy of instrument, therefore they are significant. So in this measurement there are total 5 significant figures. So student, in this way you can find significant figure in a given measurement. Please watch this video carefully, note it. Thank you.